Welcome back to Auto Anatomy. In this episode, we'll undercoat the bottom of the Project Code Blue Mustang, install the subframe connectors, mock up the engine and transmission in place, and I need your help on figuring out some things to do with the bodywork in the car. So let's get started. Alright, well, after about an hour, I finally was able to cut through this bolt. So you have to take the bolt out in order to, on the spring here, in order to get the subframe connectors on. Whew, that was a huge pain. So, tried drilling it, tried cutting it with a death wheel, I tried cutting it with a reciprocating saw, I tried heat, I tried taking the bushing out on the other side, and ended up using a bimetal blade on a reciprocating saw and just hacking at it until I finally got it enough where the bolt broke right there. So you can see right there. Alright. These springs are junk anyway, so in the trash they go. If you notice here, the driver's side subframe connector is twisted out just a little bit, and I think that's from me having to work so hard to get the driver's side leaf spring out and cutting and bending and fighting it in general. So I'm just going to stick the bolt in here and tighten it down, pulling everything back into alignment. Alright, now that the subframe connectors are done, I can show you these. Ooh, shiny. 2006 Mustang GT Bullet wheels. Gotta give a big shout out to Josh from Colorado Springs for the hookup on these. These are gorgeous. They're gonna be perfect on the Project Code Blue Mustang. The questions that I have are, I really like this wheels and I'm kind of digging the direction the car's going, but do you think it needs fender flares? Kind of thinking about like a 2.5 inch fender flare with like the Shelby side scoops and then the Shelby, you know, little rounded hood scoop in the front. It's a different direction than I initially had thought about, but let me know in the comments below what you think. So that's going to do it for this episode. Thank you so much for watching. If you follow our Facebook page, you'll get updates in between videos. On the next episode, I'm hoping to get the front suspension put together and get the driver's side door skin replaced, and then hopefully make it a roller soon. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.